QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale makes it easier to ring up a sale for both you and your customers. Start by clicking the Make a Sale Quick button, or use the Make a Sale icon in the Navigator window. There are 3 ways to enter sale items. You can select them from the Quick Picks menu, type in item names or numbers and they'll come up in your display, or scan items in using the optional barcode scanner. You can also add any discounts and add customer information so you can keep track of what your customers are buying and get to know them better. Finally, pick a payment method. Now click Save and Print to finish the sale. Your receipt shows all the details of the sale for easy returns. And your inventory is updated as well, so you'll know what you're selling and when you need to restock. Desktop Point of Sale also works with tablets for Windows 10.0 and higher, giving you even more flexibility. That's it. QuickBooks Desktop Point of Sale makes it easier to make sale after sale after sale.